In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom download button in Framer. First, make sure you already have your Framer project open in the editor. You should be on the canvas where you want the download button to appear. This could be a landing page, a resources page, or anywhere you'd like visitors to be able to download a file, like a PDF, an image, or a zip. To start, look towards the upper left corner of the Framer interface. You'll see the Insert option, which is where you add new elements to your page. Go ahead and click on Insert. This opens a panel with all the different components and elements you can use in your design. Inside this Insert panel, you'll see several categories such as Layout, Text, Media, and others. What you want to find is the category labeled Utility. This section contains helpful functional elements that go beyond simple visuals. Click on Utility to open it and reveal the available utility components. Within the Utility category, look for the component named Download. This is the element that will handle the file download action for you. Once you've located it, click and drag the download component from the panel onto your canvas. Drop it in the section of your layout where you want the button to appear. You can place it inside a frame, next to some text describing the file, or in a dedicated download section. After you've dropped the download element onto your canvas, you should see a default button or link style appear. Now it's time to customize it so it matches your design. Click directly on the download element to select it. When it's selected, the right-hand properties panel will show all of the settings you can adjust. Here, you can change its label text so it says something clear, like download PDF or get the file. You can style the button's colors, fonts, size, corners, and padding to match your project's branding. More importantly, look for the setting where you attach the actual file or link. This is where you either upload the file you want people to download or paste the URL of a file hosted elsewhere. Once you've set the file and adjusted the styling, preview your project and click the button to test it. If it triggers the download as expected and looks good within your layout, you're all set. That's how you add and customize a download button in Framer.